Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm from the Timetracker app team, and in this video I'm going to show you the new feature, logging on behalf of another user, and how you can set up for yourself. This feature works on both the timeline and the calendar view. Now I'm going to switch to my colleague Attila's calendar, and as you can see I could edit one of his work logs and I can create a new one for him. Okay, to set it up for yourself, you have to go to the project settings. It's not available in the Timetracker's admin settings for the application because this is set on a project level in Jira, and it works different for team and company managed projects. Let me show you the company managed projects first. You can see which project is company or team managed by looking at this info line at the lower left corner. So this is a company managed project. I'm going to go into the project settings. And into permissions. So permissions for company managed projects are set on permission schemes, and they can apply to one or multiple projects at the same time. So in theory, you should only have to do it once. And if you scroll down, this is where you see the Timetracker's permission scheme and which users, groups, or project roles it is currently set to. To edit it, you can edit here from the actions and edit permissions. And now, scrolling down again, you can create updates by adding, for example, another group that you want this permission to apply to. And this is it for company managed projects. For team managed projects, unfortunately, you have to do it one by one for every project. And I will show you how that works. So we are now in a team managed project, going into the project settings again. Here permissions are called access. And this is a two-step process now to allow logging for other users. First, you have to create a role or edit a role, since I already have it here. So to make this role, you have to give it a name, a description, and you have to make sure that the app permission is ticked on, and also make sure that you have the log work on any issue and the edit any worklog entry is available. There is a workaround here, because if you are also an administrator, then this should work for you naturally. But if you want to give this permission to log work on behalf of someone else to a non-administrator person, then you also have to tick these lines as well. So this was step one, creating the role, and then you have to set it for the user you want to have this permission. And now you are set, you will be able to log work and edit work logs for other users. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for your attention.